We're working in Liverpool, which is Parliament Square, which consists of 4 number blocks of residential and retail. We're using the Gripple Fast Trak system, which supports all our containment, which includes the trays, the baskets, down the central corridors and down the risers. We've used it for many years now, across all the other buildings we've done in Liverpool as well. So we'll continue using it because it benefits us with the labour, installation. Obviously it avoids carrying any lengths of containment through the buildings and so on. So it's a really good system.
Miedan Electrical are an experienced Gripple user, but I like to think that they get the same continued support from Gripple no matter what project they're working on. When I understood that they'd picked up this project, approached them about doing an installation design, took the drawings away for design from our technical team, who marked up the drawings, gave them a product schedule so they knew exactly which products to expect, which dimensions and where they were being fitted. They were then ordered through a local wholesaler. Some is kept in stock waiting for them, and we keep feeding that in from our factory in Sheffield. Following the designs from our technical team, I would come back when the first batch of products was being delivered to their site team, give them an educational toolbox talk and make sure that they were happy with the product. I'd stay and watch them fit the first couple of brackets, and any questions that they would have, I'd make sure that they were happy and comfortable with the product.
So the Fast Trak itself, it's a lot easier, especially with the new track sides. With the more tape measured, so they're a lot more rigid. The bracket itself, underneath where you can flick it to 2 sides, so there's a seal, you can put it onto the normal bracket, and they're easy enough to snap off as well, which keeps everything safe underneath. So if anyone pops their head in once the ceiling space goes up and it's all nice and neat, no one's going to hurt themselves going up. If anything's out of line when you're halfway through the project, it's so easy to move, because it's got a release on the side to go up on the bracket. It just goes straight up the track. It's that quick and simple, with the old style of getting these shifters out, getting all your tools out to adjust everything, taking an hour. It's now taking minutes just to adjust. The basket clip's dead easy now to clip. Once you clip in, the basket clips straight in. So where the old style where you used to have to put your screw, your nut on, put your holder on top, and also with the tray, also with your roofers. Now it's just click in, piece of little plastic, clicks on the top, little top hat on top of that, done in minutes. So your old style of stuff where you'd have to get in, you had your 3 metre lengths of everything, dragging it all on site, all your little other boxes, bringing them in, cutting everything down with your chop saw, getting it all sorted, getting everything up the stairs, 7 or 8 flights of stairs. Gripple, simple, all compact, all got little carrier holders on, straight up the stairs, all in nice neat boxes. Saves space also in the stores also when you're keeping it overnight. It's just a lot easier product.
There's been an overwhelming response of positive feedback from our current customers. Ones that are really experienced in using the first version of Fast Trak we brought to market a few years ago, they were really happy with that product, but they've said that this new version is just the next step up. Particularly with the tape measure formation on the new tracks, giving them a more rigid hanger, means that when they tuck the excess up under the bracket, they don't get a buckle anymore. It keeps the containment and pipework nice and straight and level. Looks really aesthetically pleasing, especially for anybody doing a sign-off on site. The versatility in the bracket being able to rotate in more orientations means that they've got more options for how they want to form the tray work, the basket work, the pipes, what coordination they'd like to use. So it's a really all-encompassing trapeze bracket which gives the ultimate options for coordination.
The Gripple Fast Trak system has reduced our labour on installation, and we'll just continue using it. It's a brilliant system.
Everyone's got their each to their own. Everyone is happy. Some people just don't like change, but I would really say to them, give it a go. Just even if you just do 1 floor with it, just give it a go. You'll see the product is a lot better, and it is also a lot quicker. And speed in this game is the key.
At Gripple, we pride ourselves in offering a lot of independent testing from Lloyd's, Exova, BRE, Warrington Fire. Gives real reassurance to our contractors that they're not just having to take our word for it, but it's been independently tested and checked to say that it will do what it says on the tin. The product really does perform above and beyond, and my personal experience of seeing destruction tests on the product give me absolute assurance that the product I'm putting in front of my customer will live up to its expectation.